Na. Na is pronounced like na in nachos. Na. The nun is praying in front of the cross, asking for nachos because she's craving a delicious snack. The cross up in the air should be the main giveaway that this is na. 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ni. Ni is pronounced like ni in needle. Do you see the needle pulling the thread? Ni. 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. Nu. Nu. Nu is pronounced like nu in noodle. This kana looks like some noodles. There are several other kana that are similar to this one. De, me, ne, wa. But you know this one is noodles because there are no sharp angles in it. It's 100% smooth and bendable, like noodles. It even has an extra loop at the bottom because it is a noodle, top to bottom, and a big swirl and a little loop. Nu. Ne. Ne is pronounced like ne in Nelly. This is Nelly the cat. There are other kana very similar to this one. Nu, de, me, wa. But you know this is different. Why? Because it has a loop at the end for the tail, and it's not super bendable like noodle is. See those sharp corners on the left? To top things off, Nelly is a necromancer. Why? I have no idea. You'll have to ask her. It must have something to do with the undead cat army she's creating. Oh my god, this is just too much. Also, if you know the word neko, Japanese word for cat, you can use that too. This is a neko. Neko. Practice ne. From top to bottom, and a lot of angles and a little loop at the end. Ne, but it's only 2 strokes. No. No. No is pronounced like no in nose or nori. Nori is a Japanese word. See the big pig nose there? You can also think of this as a no smoking sign, the one with a cigarette and big red circle / through it. Pick the one that sticks with you the best. No, only 1 stroke and 1 big loop. Let's practice reading. Nasu. Nasu is eggplant. Then we have niku. Niku. Niku means meat. Nuno. Nuno. Nuno means fabric. Neko, we saw this one already. Neko means cat. Then we have no. No. So again, no u. But when u is placed after an o sound, it's going to make it a long vowel. So it's not no, it's no. No. And it means the brain. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. それではまた!